Today's health wisdom could transform your life, especially if you're concerned about eye health and aging. Evan's remarkable journey of reversing macular degeneration at age 73 offers hope and practical strategies for anyone facing similar challenges. If you find value in this powerful information about stem cells, telomeres, and food as medicine, please like this video, share it with someone who could benefit, comment with your thoughts, and subscribe to join our community of health enthusiasts exploring natural approaches to wellness. Dr. William Li's groundbreaking research on how specific foods can activate our body's innate healing systems provides the foundation for understanding how Evan achieved what many medical professionals considered impossible. This story demonstrates how strategic dietary choices might help lengthen telomeres and support stem cell regeneration to potentially improve eye health. The human eye is an extraordinary organ, more complex and sophisticated than the most advanced cameras. Within this remarkable structure, the macula serves as the central part of the retina responsible for detailed central vision and color perception. When age-related macular degeneration (AMD) develops, this critical area begins to deteriorate, causing blurred or reduced central vision that impacts daily activities like reading, recognizing faces, and driving. For millions of aging adults worldwide, this condition represents one of the leading causes of vision loss, with conventional medicine offering limited solutions once the condition progresses. However, emerging research suggests that understanding the relationship between stem cells, telomeres, and specific dietary compounds might offer new pathways for prevention and potentially even reversal of such conditions. Stem cells are the body's remarkable regenerative factories, capable of developing into different cell types and repairing damaged tissues when activated properly. These special cells exist throughout your body, including in your eyes, where they can potentially help repair damaged retinal tissue. As you age, your stem cell function naturally declines, but certain dietary interventions may help maintain or even enhance their regenerative capabilities. Telomeres, meanwhile, are the protective caps on your chromosomes that shorten with each cell division and environmental stress. These biological timekeepers essentially determine how well your cells age, with shorter telomeres associated with cellular aging and age-related diseases, including certain eye conditions. The fascinating connection between these cellular mechanisms and macular degeneration has become a frontier in regenerative medicine, with food-based approaches gaining scientific attention. Dr. William Li stands at the forefront of this food as medicine revolution. As a physician, scientist, and author of Eat to Beat Disease, Dr. Li has dedicated his career to understanding how specific foods can activate our body's health defense systems. His research focuses on how bioactive compounds in everyday foods can support angiogenesis, the growth of new blood vessels when needed, stem cell function, DNA repair, and other critical healing processes. Unlike conventional approaches that often address symptoms after disease develops, Dr. Li advocates for strategic eating to prevent illness and optimize cellular function. His work has been featured in prestigious scientific journals and has influenced both medical professionals and health-conscious individuals seeking evidence-based natural approaches to wellness. Evan's journey began 3 years ago when, at age 70, he received the devastating diagnosis of early-stage macular degeneration. His ophthalmologist noticed the characteristic yellow deposits called drusen forming under his retina, and explained that while they could monitor the condition, there were limited medical interventions available to reverse the process. Refusing to accept gradual vision loss as inevitable, Evan began researching alternatives and discovered Dr. Li's work on how specific foods might support eye health through their effects on stem cells and telomeres. With nothing to lose, Evan committed to transforming his diet according to these principles, focusing on foods rich in specific compounds shown to support cellular regeneration and protect delicate eye tissues from oxidative damage. The foundation of Evan's new diet centered around colorful fruits and vegetables rich in carotenoids, particularly lutein and zeaxanthin. These powerful plant compounds selectively accumulate in the macula, where they act as internal sunglasses, filtering damaging blue light and neutralizing free radicals that contribute to cellular damage. Evan made sure to consume dark leafy greens like kale, spinach, and collard greens daily, often in morning smoothies or lunchtime salads. He also incorporated orange vegetables like sweet potatoes, carrots, and winter squash, which provide beta-carotene, another carotenoid that supports retinal health. The vibrant colors of his meals weren't just visually appealing, but represented the very compounds potentially saving his vision. Berries became another cornerstone of Evan's healing protocol. Blueberries, blackberries, and strawberries offer anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that have been shown in research to improve night vision and reduce eye fatigue. These compounds also support healthy blood flow to the tiny vessels supplying the retina, which is crucial since impaired circulation contributes to macular degeneration. Evan enjoyed a handful of mixed berries daily, either as a snack or blended into smoothies with a splash of green tea, another eye-protective ingredient rich in catechins that support cellular DNA repair mechanisms. This simple daily habit delivered potent phytonutrients directly supporting his retinal health. Omega-3 fatty acids played a critical role in Evan's dietary approach, particularly DHA-docosahexaenoic acid, which constitutes about 30% of the fatty acids in the retina. He incorporated fatty fish like wild salmon, sardines, and mackerel into his meals several times weekly, while also consuming walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds for plant-based omega-3s. These essential fats help maintain the structural integrity of cell membranes, while reducing inflammation that can damage delicate eye tissues. For Evan, this meant replacing his former breakfast of cereal with a protein-rich meal, often featuring salmon with avocado on sprouted grain toast, providing both omega-3s and additional carotenoids from the avocado. Cruciferous vegetables became unexpected allies in Evan's vision-saving journey. Broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, and cauliflower contain sulforaphane, a compound that activates the NRF2 pathway, triggering the body's production of powerful antioxidant enzymes. Research suggests this pathway plays a key role in protecting retinal cells from oxidative stress and potentially supporting stem cell function. Evan found creative ways to incorporate these vegetables into his meals, from roasted Brussels sprouts with olive oil and garlic to cauliflower rice stir-fries that satisfied his craving for heartier dishes while delivering therapeutic compounds to his cells. Curcumin from turmeric emerged as another powerful ally in Evan's dietary approach. This golden spice contains compounds that help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, while potentially supporting telomere length. Knowing that curcumin is better absorbed when combined with black pepper and fat, Evan created a daily ritual of enjoying golden milk made with turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, and coconut milk before bed. This warming beverage became not just a therapeutic practice, but a comforting routine that helped him wind down each evening, while delivering powerful anti-inflammatory compounds to his system. Green tea became another daily habit for supporting eye health and cellular regeneration. Rich in catechins like egg-epigallocatechin gallate, green tea has been shown to protect retinal cells and potentially support telomere maintenance. Evan replaced his former coffee habit with 3 cups of green tea daily, finding that after an adjustment period, he actually preferred the gentle, sustained energy it provided without the jitters or afternoon crashes he had experienced with coffee. This simple beverage switch delivered consistent doses of compounds potentially supporting his cellular health throughout the day. Mushrooms, particularly varieties like shiitake, maitake, and oyster mushrooms, provided beta-glucans that support immune function and potentially stem cell mobilization. Evan incorporated these fungi into soups, stir-fries, and even morning omelets, appreciating both their savory flavor and medicinal properties. The growing scientific interest in mushrooms for supporting cellular regeneration made them a perfect addition to his vision-supporting protocol. He particularly enjoyed a weekly mushroom soup featuring several varieties simmered with onions, garlic, and herbs, creating a nourishing meal that felt both comforting and therapeutic. Purple and blue foods including eggplant, purple cabbage, and black rice became regular features on Evan's plate, providing unique anthocyanins different from those found in berries. These compounds support healthy blood vessel function, particularly important for the tiny vessels supplying the retina. By incorporating a wider spectrum of plant pigments, Evan ensured he was receiving diverse phytonutrients supporting different aspects of eye health. He found that challenging himself to include foods of every color throughout his day made meals more interesting while potentially providing comprehensive support for his cellular health. The impact of Evan's dietary transformation extended beyond his eyes. After 6 months of consistent adherence to this nutrient-dense approach, he noticed improved energy, better sleep quality, and reduced joint discomfort that had previously troubled him. These additional benefits reinforced his commitment to maintaining these habits long-term, recognizing that the same foods supporting his vision were also benefiting his entire body. His skin took on a healthier glow, friends commented on how well he looked, and his annual physical revealed improvements in several biomarkers of inflammation and metabolic health. The true test came at his 1-year ophthalmology checkup. After dilating his eyes and examining his retinas carefully, his doctor appeared puzzled. The drusen deposits that had been clearly visible the previous year had noticeably diminished, and the early signs of macular degeneration appeared to have stabilized or even slightly reversed. While his doctor remained cautiously optimistic, suggesting they would need longer follow-up to confirm the trend, Evan felt vindicated in his approach. By his 3-year checkup, the improvement was undeniable, with his ophthalmologist documenting the remarkable changes and asking detailed questions about his lifestyle modifications. Could your eyes and overall health benefit from incorporating more stem cell and telomere supporting foods? The beauty of this approach is its accessibility and safety, requiring no expensive supplements or interventions, just strategic choices at your grocery store and in your kitchen. While individual results may vary, the scientific evidence supporting the benefits of these food groups for cellular health continues to grow. You have little to lose and potentially much to gain by coloring your plate with nature's pharmacy of protective compounds that may support your body's innate regenerative capabilities. If you found value in Evan's story and these insights about food as medicine for eye health, please take a moment to like this video. Leave a comment sharing your thoughts or questions, subscribe to our channel for more evidence-based health wisdom, and share this information with someone who might benefit. Your engagement helps build our community of health-conscious individuals exploring natural approaches to wellness. Together, we can support each other in making informed choices that honor our body's remarkable capacity for self-healing and regeneration. Remember, the foods on your plate today may influence your health journey for years to come, one delicious, nourishing meal at a time.